Hello and a very warm welcome to our program Road to NEET and JEE। आज का क्वेश्चन वेक्टर से लिया गया। लेट मी रीड द क्वेश्चन। इफ वेक्टर A is equal to 4i hat add 3j hat and vector B is equal to 3i hat add 4j hat, then number 1 find the magnitude of vector A, magnitude of question number 2 magnitude of vector B, question number 3 magnitude of vector A plus B, and question number 4 magnitude of vector A minus B। 4 questions are there in this। So A एंड B को कंसीडर करें, ये वेक्टर फॉर्म में है, ये कंपोनेंट फॉर्म में है दोनों वेक्टर्स। A इज इक्वल टू 4i हैट एड 3j हैट मींस A का x कंपोनेंट 4 यूनिट है और y कंपोनेंट 3 यूनिट है। अगेन वेक्टर B का x कंपोनेंट 3 यूनिट है और y कंपोनेंट 4 यूनिट है। तो हम जानते हैं किसी वेक्टर का x कंपोनेंट और y कंपोनेंट दिया हुआ हो तो उसका मैग्नीट्यूड यानी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू जो होगा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 the magnitude of this vector A, that means the absolute value of vector A will be equal to square root of ax square add ay square। This formula, the magnitude of vector A is equal to square root of ax square add ay square, where ax is 4 unit and ay is 3 unit। Let's put the values। is equal to 4 square add 3 square is equal to square root of 16 add 9 is equal to 5 unit। So 5 unit is the magnitude of vector A। Again question number 2, the magnitude of vector B, that is absolute value of B, is equal to, going by the same formula, it will become bx square add by square, where bx and by are x and y components of vector B। यहां से bx is equal to 3 units है और by is equal to 4 units। just put the values and you will get 3 square add 4 square, again it is square root of 25, so it will also become 5 units। 5 units is the magnitude of B, vector B also। Now let's come to the third question। The third question, 1 2 3, the magnitude of vector A plus B, A add B, means A add B, the absolute value of A add B will be equal to, first of all find A add B। You don't have to find, first of all find A add B। A add B means 4i hat add 3j hat add 3i hat add 4j hat, it will become 4i hat add 3j hat, that is A in component form, and B add करना इसमें, तो B is 3i hat add 4j hat। अब इसमें x कंपोनेंट वाले एक साथ कंबाइन होंगे, ऐड हो जाएंगे, 4i hat and add 3i hat, it will become 7i hat। अगेन y कंपोनेंट्स दोनों वेक्टर्स के एक साथ कंबाइन हो जाएंगे, ये 3j hat add 4j hat, it will also become 7j hat। So this is the component form of vector A plus B। 7i hat add 7j hat is the component form of vector A plus B। When the component form of vector A at B is given, then we can find the absolute value of A at B। Absolute value of vector A and B will be the absolute value of this, that is the magnitude of vector A and B will be the magnitude of this। Magnitude of this will become, again once again going by the same formula, it will become 7 square add 7 square, which will become 7 root 2. 7 square is 49, add 49, 98, 98. The square root of 98 is 7 root 2 units, is the magnitude of vector A at B. And the last question, question number 4. First of all, find A minus B. It will be equal to, A is 4I hat, add 3j hat. 4I hat, add 3j hat minus A minus B is being asked. The magnitude of A minus. First of all, we will find the A minus B. This is A, and you have to subtract this 3I hat, add 4j hat. 3I hat, add 4j hat. It will become 4I hat, add 3j hat minus 3I hat minus 3j hat, minus 3I hat minus 4j hat. It will become 4I hat will combine with minus 3I hat. It will become I hat plus 3j hat minus 4j hat. It will become minus j hat. So both I hat and j hat are unit vectors, we all know. So the absolute value of A minus B, we can write the absolute value of the magnitude of A minus B, magnitude of vector A minus B is the absolute value of A minus B, and it will be equal to, going by the same formula, a square root of 1 square add minus 1 square minus 1 square. It will become the square root of 1 add 1, that is equal to the square root of 2. So the magnitude of vector A minus B will be equal to the square root of 2.